Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 26. Get ready for the dictation. Start. These appeals relate to regular absorption of the appellants who are working as substitute teachers in the railways stop. In the impugned judgment, the Central Administrative Tribunal has observed that the appellants should be given an opportunity to appear before the selection board if they are otherwise eligible as and when such selection is made, and has expressed the hope that the respondents would try to accommodate them even on temporary basis if there happens to be any casual vacancy available from time to time, and for that purpose they may be placed on waiting list of substitute teachers stop. The submission of the Land Council appearing for the appellants is that the appellants who have crossed the age bar may not be eligible for such consideration stop. Having regard to the facts and circumstances of these cases, it is directed that if the appellants have crossed the prescribed maximum age, they may be considered for regular selection by giving relaxation in that regard stop. But such relaxation shall be confined to one opportunity for consideration for such selection stop. The appeals are disposed of accordingly stop. No order as to costs stop. Even though textually the orders may appear different, the respondent authorities rightly acted in terms of the true purport of the order stop. They subjected the appellant also to the process of screening by the screening committee in accordance with para 5.1 of the master circular. After subjecting the appellant for screening by an order, the appellant was appointed as primary teacher in the Railway Higher Secondary School, Alipurdar Junction, against an existing vacancy stop. Being aggrieved, the appellant filed original application number 978 of 1998 before the Central Administrative Tribunal, Calcutta bench stop. The grievance was that firstly, the appellant should have been absorbed in the post of assistant teacher instead of being absorbed as a primary teacher with admissible continuity of service in the pay scale of rupees 5500 to 9000 and not rupees 4500 to 7000 that was now offered under the 2/1/1998 order. Secondly, the appellant is entitled to the pay scale and allowances admissible to the post of assistant teacher grade 1, namely rupees 1600 to 2900 instead of the pay scale of rupees 1200 2040 that was offered stop. Thirdly, that under the master circular, a substitute school teacher is entitled to continuity in service as much prescribed therein stop. At this stage, we can profitably refer the order passed on the aspect of continuity of service with regard to these teachers who were currently absorbed stop. The order read as in compliance with judgment of Honorable Supreme Court of India and CAT, the following substitute teachers are absorbed as primary teacher and posted in railway schools in various regions stop. As will be seen from the earlier paragraph of the letter extracted herein above, the only reason that the appellant was denied continuity of service while others were granted was that this court had not made any order regarding continuity of service stop. All other teachers were granted continuity of service and the past service rendered by them as substitute teacher in different spells was taken into account for all purposes except seniority from the date of acquiring of temporary status by threatening breaks as not taken stop. The respondent authorities defended their orders before the Central Administrative Tribunal Calcutta bench stop. The Central Administrative Tribunal Calcutta bench by its judgment held that the appellant had only been appointed as a primary teacher on 5/12/1989 in the pay scale of rupees 1200 2040, that functioning as a mathematics teacher for classes 11th and 12th as a stopgap measure would not entitle him the rights of a regular appointee to the post of postgraduate teacher, that the orders of this court did not, in the appellant's case, direct specifically regarding continuity of service as was done in the other cases, and the appellant's case being one of regular absorption, no continuity of service can be given to him stop. Holding so, the Central Administrative Tribunal Calcutta bench dismissed the application of the appellant stop. The appellant filed a writ petition before the High Court at Calcutta stop. The High Court, once again relying on the order of this court, held that the benefit of continuous service was specifically rejected in the case of the appellant stop. So holding, the High Court upheld the order of the Central Administrative Tribunal Calcutta bench stop. The appellant is before us in appeal stop. We have heard the Learned Counsel for the appellant and the Learned Counsel for the Union of India stop. Both the Learned Counsel have painstakingly taken us through the records of the case and presented their respective points of view very ably stop. The Learned Counsel for the appellant contends that under the Master Circular would apply to the case of the appellant stop. According to her, on completion of 3 months continuous service, the appellant acquired the temporary status. Who have acquired temporary status were to be screened by a screening committee and not by selection boards for the purpose of absorption, and under clause 6 the date of appointment of a substitute to be recorded stop.